The overall goal of this procedure is to assess the pulmonary vascular response to exercise using multiple fraction of inspired oxygen, or FiO2, diffusion capacities and contrast-enhanced echocardiography.
This method helps us better understand how the pulmonary circulation responds to the stress of exercise.
The main advantage of this technique is that it can be applied to a variety of experimental, clinical, and pharmacological conditions, including during exercise in participants with heart or lung disease.
Demonstrating the breath hold technique will be Wade Michaelchuk and Sophie Collins, graduate students in my lab. Performing the contrast echocardiography technique will be Dr. Sean Van Diepen, cardiologist.
Before beginning the procedure, use an air-oxygen blender system to fill one 60-liter non-diffusing Douglas bag with 40% oxygen and one with 60% oxygen. Attach two large-bore 3-way stopcock valves for modulation of the inhaled gases and use flexible non-compressing tubing to connect the Douglas bags to the valve system. Then, connect the valve system to a 2-way T-shaped non-rebreathing valve connected to the test gas intake assembly of the mass flow sensor. Switch the pre-breathe valve and the carbon monoxide gas selector to the appropriate orientation for the selected FiO2 and instruct the subject to begin cycling at the intensity of interest while maintaining a heart rate between plus or minus 3 beats per minute. Once the steady state has been achieved, affix the nose clips and mouthpiece onto the subject and have the subject breathe normally for 5 breaths.